Njohi, njikirire, mukana, itanyihiire, rita 800, cuba cia njohi, ibandiko na mihuri ya maigirira ya ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwa KRA ni imwe cia indo iria ihithukirio nyumba-ini imwe mwena wa Ndaragwa kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua. Indo ici ihithukitio hindi ya mungururio wa kuhitana na njohi cia ibango uria gutwarithagio na mbere ni ruhonge rwa uthuthuria, honge cia ugitiri hamwe na maabitha ruhonge-ini rwa KRA.
Our officers wametrack pole wakafika na wakaweza ku ensure that we secure the premises. After securing the premises, they were able to get 2 of the workers. The owner is still at large. The officers are working very hard to ensure that they get him so that he can at least explain what is happening here.
Kuringana na munini wa county commander mwena uyu Walter Gaira, mwikuiro munene ni arikitie gwithara ona gutuika ni mahotete guikia ngono andu eri aria marekuirwo gukorwo marateithagiriria kuruga njohi iyo.
Taking advantage of the drought situation here so that they can bypass our officers on patrol. Isemekane kwamba they are bringing hay to their animals, but in the process inakuja inafika hapa, then they do whatever they do, they repack and then they take it to the market.
The government is losing a lot of revenue through these counterfeit stamps. Number, they recycle it because they cannot be in a position to make different numbers. It is a bit expensive for them. So when they get one number, they recover the same number.
Maabitha ya maugite njohi ino ikoretwo ikihithwo nyeki-ini nyumu niguo kuhuthia mienderie yayo.
This operation will actually continue now. As you can see, this is now the factory. It's as if this is now the factory where these things are made and then supplied to various areas in our county. Especially, I want to mention 3 areas.
Ona gukiri uguo ni meraniire guthie na mbere na gutabania mungururio kinyagia riria urugi wa njohi cia ibango urithira kaunti-ini ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.